Clark the shark. He's right there. He's behind the chair and he sits behind the chair. Get in the chair. Dude, you're behind the chair. Ghost. You're not. He's looking at me like, what do you want me to do, Shark? I'm like, get in the chair. Get in the chair, dude. Get in the chair. Ah, what chair, Shark? I don't see no chair. That chair, bro. Dude, yeah, that one. Get in it. Get in the chair. Duh. Now, Shark, I don't want to get in a chair just because you say so. Well, dude, you don't want to listen to God or me, I guess. Here, dude, get in the chair. Well, Shark, I'm having a lot of fun not being in the chair. Oh, don't get in the fucking